a very good day to our Dr. Muhammad Zaini Yunus, our lecturer for Section 2 Programming. So for programming individual project, we were asked to create a solution based on two scope of engineering problem, which is fluid mechanics and fluid dynamics. So I have decided to write a C programming coding regarding to the fluid mechanics. Fluid mechanics is a branch of the engineering which is consists of various problem. One of them is the pressure difference. So pressure difference is defined as a 2 point that are which locate into two different tank. So the difference occur when the frictionless in the pipe flow through a velocity. Problem statement, we can illustrate for the pressure difference, which consists of the two tanks, different tanks which consist of different pressure. So as we know that different pressure have many factors that affect the value, which is the one of the factor is type of the pipe, the head minor and major losses, and the velocity, flow rate, and so on. So in this type of problem statement, we ignore the major losses and minor losses. So in order to find the pressure difference, we will use Bernoulli equation, which are P1 over rho g plus U2 squared over 2g plus Z1 equal to P2 over rho g plus U2 squared over 2g plus Z1. So we know that P1 is the pressure in the tanks, rho is the density of the fluid, g is the gravitational acceleration, which is 9.81, and U is the velocity in the fluid, and Z1 and Z2 is the height of the fluid that occur because of pressure. For the flowchart, this is the flowchart that I have created to solve the problem. So we can see that the first thing is we will ask the user to get the radius for 2 and the V2, the velocity. In this flowchart, I have considered the value of pi, the Q is the flow rate, V1 is velocity, H the height of the pressure. So the first equation that I've used is the area equal to pi r squared, and the velocity is Q over A. Then the coding we will proceed to the display of area and velocity. In this problem, I have included 4 types of density, which is fluid, helium, gasoline, and water. So the coding will be asked if the type of fluid, if the type of fluid is water, it will proceed to the rho equal to 1 and make the iterations and the loop for 4. And if the coding will be proceed to do the process, which is y, represent the pressure difference V2 squared over 2 minus V1 squared over 2 plus H1 minus H2 over rho g. And next it will proceed to the B bracket y, which is our pressure difference, and make the loop I plus plus. And here are the connector, the continue for the next type of density. It will be the same process for the every type of density. So this is our program coding for the flowchart that I have made before, and I will use the GDB online debugger compile to run the program. So I will click run, and the program will ask for our radius. For example, I will insert the value of 2, and the next the program will be asked for type of the density, whether it's the water, air, helium or gasoline. So for the example, I will choose water and click enter, and the program will give the answer, which is negative 31.70 Pascal. For the conclusion, I can conclude that the objective of this task I have achieved, which is to train the student to apply all the knowledge about the C programming in order to solve the problem regarding the mechanic fluid problems. So I hope the program that I have done in this task will help the student to get more understanding about the for loops and contain the two function. So that's all from me. Thank you.